Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can repost somebody's story to your story in Snapchat. So first of all, if they have mentioned you in their story, what you have to do is you have to open their chat and you will see something called add to your story. For example, this person has tagged me to her story and it says add to story. Select add to story, and then this being your story, you may go ahead, select stories and send it. And now this will be your story. You may go ahead and check it. And this is the same story as your friend posted you in. Now, likewise, if the person has not tagged you, this being second way, what you could do is you could take a screenshot of that story. For example, this in my case. And after you have taken the screenshot, you may go ahead, save it, and add it to your story instead. So guys, these are the two ways that you can do it. Thank you for watching.